Assalamu alaikum. This is Arooj Muzaffar from the Department of English, University of Southern Punjab. We have been going through multiple topics of functional English. We had been discussing our communication skills, our grammatical elements, and many other things that help us in making our sentences more structured, more accurate, and more meaningful. Today, our topic is a bit different from that topics which we were previously discussing. Today, we are going to analyze what document is, how can we write a document, what is the etymology of writing of documents, and why do we need to make documents to preserve our ideas and multiple informations. Our today's lecture starts with one question, and that question is why we should write a document. Well, writing a document is one of the most important ways in the previous history of human beings. Till now, we communicate ideas, we share information, and we preserve our important knowledge and such paragraphs in the form of documents. From academic essays and business reports to personal letters and environmental or governmental records, all of these documents play a vital role in organizing our thoughts, information, expressing our opinions, and maintaining the records for human history and future references. There are several key reasons that why writing a document is valuable. Well, first and foremost, it helps us with communication. It helps us organize, it makes us accountable, and this organization and accountability and personal or professional growth basically helps us in understanding our own ideas and gathered information. It is a tool for communication. And first, rather foremost, writing a document is a powerful form of communication. It allows people to share ideas in a more clear and effective way with their audience and others, regardless of distance or time. In the modern world, documents such as emails, reports, and proposals, they are essential for collaboration in workplaces and educational settings. A well written document basically ensures that the message is understood as intended and not on the parameters that there are for misinterpretation and for misunderstanding on the side of audience or reader. Well, reducing confusion and misunderstanding is done through the process of making and preserving documents. Written communication also provides a permanent record of what has been said or said, which can be revisited when needed. It is a means of organization and clarity. Writing also helps us to organize our thoughts in a clarified and simplified version. When we put our ideas into writing, we are enforced to think critically about what we want to say and how to say it. This process helps us in refining our thinking, our opinions, and multiple notions that we come across into our daily life. It ensures that our arguments and explanations are all logical and coherent. For example, a student who is writing a research paper learns to gather evidence, he structures his argument and presents the conclusion of that argument in an organized way. So basically, this all strategy happens in multiple fields of life, like in business. Written documents such as reports and plans, they help teams stay focused on goals and track progress effectively. It is basically a record for accountability and reference. And another important reason for writing of the documents is to create a record that can be referred to later by our coming generations, by the people who may visit us as foreigners, and to unknown people, as the world is now a global village. Written documents serve as evidence of agreements, decisions, and transactions. For instance, contracts, minutes of meeting, and official letters all act as proof of actions taken or promises made, and all of them are keeping as a record for functioning of promoting the accountability and transparency in the organization. This record keeping function of documents promotes transparency in the companies and organizations and institutions and government and, of course, everyday life. Without written documentation, it would be difficult to track history and to enforce rules or to learn from past experiences. It is basically a tool for personal growth and professionalism. In addition to its practical uses, writing document contributes to personal and professional development. Basically, the writing of a document encourages the reflection, creativity, and self expressions, which ultimately help individuals improve their critical thinking, their personality, and their communication skills, and their growth towards the society and environment, which are high values of our field regarding our society and our institution. Let's discuss it with the help of an examples. Like, for students writing essays and reports, they develop research and analytical abilities. For professionals, writing proposals, memos, or technical documents demonstrates competence and professionalism. In both cases, writing serves as a mean of learning and self improvement, which is basically the uh, ultimate aim and the ultimate goal of an institution or an individual. So, we may conclude this idea with this statement that writing a document is much more than a routine task. It is not something which we come across or which we go through on our daily life. It is rather a fundamental part of how people communicate, how do they think, and how they grow. Documents allow us to express ideas clearly, organize our information effectively, maintain our accountability, and develop important life skills. It does not matter that whether it is for academic, business, or personal purposes. Writing documents remains one of the most essential tools for sharing knowledge and for building understanding in the world in which those individuals are living. Now, let's discuss another aspect of the writing of document. That aspect is that what is the significance of making a document? Why do we feel the need that we should write a document and we should compose documents to preserve our information and knowledge? Documents basically play a vital role in our daily lives, whether in school, business, government, institutions, colleges, universities. They are more than just written records. They are tools for communication, organization, accountability, and preservation of knowledge. The act of making a document carries great significance. And the reason for it is that because it allows individuals and organizations to express their ideas clearly, record important information, and ensure that details are not lost over time. Basically, it is a tool for effective communication, the communication which does not end with the end of a speech, but rather the communication which can be transmitted to generations. It is one of the most important purposes of making a document, and it is that to communicate information effectively and efficiently. Written documents such as letters, reports, memos, emails, and even into our current world, the messages. They help people share their thoughts with others in a structured way. Unlike our spoken words, which may be forgotten or misunderstood or which die with the end of a speech, a document basically provides a clear and lasting form of communication. For example, in our business life, written proposals and contracts help parties understand the expectations and responsibilities. In educational institutions, written reports and essays allow students to express their thinking, opinions, their understanding, and of course, the teachers to give an assess to make them more effective for the society. Basically, ensuring organization and clarity is the prime purpose of writing a document. And creating documents also helps in organizing thoughts and ideas. When information is written down, it becomes easier to analyze, to arrange, and to present it logically. Obviously, when our ideas and our opinions are written into the form of a document, this is an organized knowledge, and this organization leads to clearer decision making and more efficient planning. In workplaces, for instance, writing down goals, plans, and strategies helps teams stay focused and coordinated. Similarly, in personal life, keeping written notes, schedules, diaries, or even journals, it helps individuals manage their time, their routine, and their responsibilities in a more effective and better way. Promotion of the accountability and record keeping has a very deep and impactful relation with each other. Another major significance of making documents is that they serve as an official record. Written documents such as contracts, agreements, memos, minutes of meeting, and any other type of report, it acts as an evidence of actions and decisions. These records promote accountability and transparency, which ultimately ensures that people and organizations can be held responsible for their commitments, and they cannot take the things for granted because the things have been written down and they have been preserved to be presented to people, to general public, and to even courts, governments, and institutions. For example, they rely heavily on documentation because it preserves laws, policies, and historical events for future reference. Basically, preserving knowledge and culture is the prime purpose of documentation. Documents are also essential for preserving norms in a culture, multiple aspects and shades of knowledge. Many of the things we know today about history, science, and human civilization comes from written records, and books are of course the written record of the things that we have been coming through since our forefathers. Our books, manuscripts, and digital files allow ideas and discoveries to be passed down through generations. Without documentation, valuable knowledge and experiences could easily be forgotten or lost. So, we must conclude our debate and our discussion onto this idea that the significance of making a document lies in its ability to communicate in a more effective and efficient way. Our information, organization of ideas, it leads us towards our accountability and for preservation of our knowledge and for transparency in the whole phenomena. Documents are essential tools that help individuals and societies function effectively. They not only allow record what has been of what has been done, but also guide what will be done in the future, whether for personal, academic, or professional use. Making documents remains one of the most powerful ways to communicate and to share our information, and of course to safeguard human progress. This is all about our process of making and writing documents. Hope it's useful for you. Thank you so much.